Everyone, today I'm making coffee with this Pyrex or vintage coffee percolator. One of the healthiest. Make this one, and I found it in Timo, the stainless coffee filter. So I'm gonna use this one with this here. Boiled water to be more faster. I'm gonna make water of your coffee will be, some will evaporate. So boil this one here, make it more fast. There you go. So one of the healthiest coffee percolator. Aside from the aluminum, you can find stainless, but for I cannot find it yet. 2, 3, 4. So do this one so that the coffee here, you don't have the extra in your water. So now let's close that one, put that one here, and so let's be gentle there. 9 cups of coffee. So put this one, put it here like that, and then twist and wait for percolate. I like this one, guys, although it's a bit heavy, but it's very healthy. Wait for the percolation. And today I will make tea too, to try how this one works. Now it starts percolation for 7 minutes or 5 minutes. If you want more lighter, 5 minutes. There you go, guys. How cool this is. I'm so impressed. Really looking for this one for a long time. Finally I got it. And it's not even hot here. Warm. Impressive. And this one, guys, you have to make sure that it's tight because it will loose. For your information, if you got this old style. I really love this. Nice. So amazing. Look at that, guys. So you have to lower the temperature when it's percolated. So it's done our coffee. We have to wait a little bit. It sit a little bit so that it's pour it in our cup. But you don't have to worry about this lid. It's not gonna come off as long as it's not. Let's try our coffee. Okay, exactly. Yes, tea. Of this, you just make sure lid like tip here or something. It will like put it like that there, and then go like this when you're doing it. But when you're done, you just go like here and take it off. So make sure you go like this first, like that, or any other. Sure, like I have 2 cups, like big cups. See, I really have 2 big cups of coffee here, as you can see. And there's extra, and there's no coffee grinder with your temperature. Try the tea. For this one, the tea, I wanna make, I will do it the same, like 500 ml here for 2 full cups, because I want 2 full cups, and I use still warm or boiled water with my kettle. So it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. Cold first, but I like it to be more fast this time because I'm doing it for my video. So same thing, guys, if you want to not really making mess. So my filter, you can just wash it very fast, and then I'm gonna do like happened to my tea. Why is like that? I mean this, or just do loose tea bag. And then, so if you're making a mess, or even the coffee, you can do this. If you're making a mess, now let's put it there. Put the lid here, this, and then as I'm showing you, this tip here, like this and like that. That's it. You just wait, and then it will be ready for the percolation. Now start percolating. Now start percolating. 7 minutes or less, and then lower the temperature. Very cool. Loving this so far. When you clean it, you have to be gentle in the stem of the collation and the basket, and this one too, but this is really like really thick, like heavy, and but it's wide, the opening of this percolation Pyrex. I don't know what year is this, so it's still here, but I want to check what is the year for this. Where is it? But there's what year. This is vintage. I'm trying the coffee. Very good. Not burning or anything. It's different from the stainless steel. Very good taste. The best. One of the best. Oh, it's done. So, off here. Let's. Look at that tea, guys. I'm drinking coffee until now. Oh my God. See, it's very clean in the bottom. Nothing went there. Also amazing. So do 1000 ml for 2 perfect big cup coffee or tea. See, because it will evaporate some, so better you have extra, like good portion of coffee. And so hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. The best one of the best. Bye guys. See you in my next one.